Chalo re Gujarat. Hey, chalo re Gujarat. Gujarat hosted the 2004 ISSAMEah Forum when we had Ashok Mehta as our executive officer. Gujarat again hosted 2015 ISSAMEah Forum when we had executive officer in Naresh Agrawal. And again, in 2025, Gujarat invites you to the ISSAMEah Forum when we will be having AP Singh as our international president. Hey, chalo re Gujarat. In Dhaka, when we made the bid, we said this is an engagement ceremony of AP Singh. And Sunil Kumar said, even though the marriage will be in Ahmedabad, but the Sangeet of that marriage will be in Hyderabad. And that's the Sangeet of the events to come in Ahmedabad next year. Ladies and gentlemen, the detailed brochure is on your tables. So I will not like to go into the details of the forum, what I will learn. It will include engaging sessions, young leaders dialogue, inspiring guests, power-packed entertainment, cultural immersion, projectivism, state-of-the-art venue, the Mahatma Mandir. And I mentioned the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Bhupendra Patel, has extended the invitations to the lines of the world, and his letter is printed in this brochure. The registration charges for the forum is same as in Hyderabad, $260 plus GST as an early bird, $290 as a regular charges. In Indian rupees, the early bird is 26,000 and the regular charges are 29,000. But let me tell you, we have a bullet payment option also. And bullet payment is valid till the end of this Hyderabad forum, and that is Indian rupees only 23,000 rupees. And I'm very happy to mention that till now, the bullet payment registrations received by the House Committee is 800 and 500 other than Gujarat. Leading in this bullet payment is the House Multiple District of our President AP Singh, 200, Multiple 3 to 4, 150, Lions of Nepal, 150, and 316, 50. So we thank all the outstanding supporters for the forum, and I'm sure that each one of you will register in the bullet payment option. We have a very strong host committee. The board liaison, Ramesh Prajapati, Ramesh Bhai, Vice Chairman Aruna Oswal, Vice Chairman Harendra Shukla, Secretary Anil Agrawal, Treasurer Sunil Gugalia, Program Committee Chairperson Rina Dupia. We have our Finance Committee Bharat Rao, our past governors Madi Bhai, Rasik Bhai. We have an entire DC teams from Gujarat, and we have the ambassadors for this forum. Dr. P.C. Joshi, may I invite Chandrasekhar Garg, the ambassador of the ISSAMEAh Forum. And before we speak further, I'll first make the video presentation and then I'll invite the bride of the Ahmedabad Forum. Let's start the video.
In the vibrant heart of Bharat, a land where traditions flow like rivers, innovation rises like the sun. The land of the Mahatma, Sardar and Modi, the land of Lion Rohit Mehta, Gujarat, where ancient wisdom meets modern vision, where service meets soul, and now where the world shall meet for something extraordinary. Get ready for Hey Chalo Re Gujarat from December 15th to 19th, 2025. Lions Club International's premier regional gathering, the ISSAME Forum, has been shaping humanitarian initiatives across India, South Asia and the Middle East for over 5 decades. Now, the 53rd ISSAME Forum will transform Gujarat into a confluence of dreams and achievement. Like streams joining the Sabarmati, over 5,000 guests from more than 13 nations unite under one sky and one purpose for one extraordinary celebration. Under the visionary leadership of past International Director Praveen Chajay, Gujarat already illuminated the ISSAME journey twice with 2 magnificent forums in 2004 and 2015, setting a high bar. Led by our current International Director Ramesh Prajapati, along with a peerless host committee, the 53rd ISSAME Forum promises to scale even greater heights. Within the magnificent halls of Mahatma Mandir, thought leaders will ignite minds. Spiritual masters shall touch souls, and global innovators will shape tomorrow. Our international president, Lion A.P. Singh, alongside executive officers Fabricio Oliveira, Mark Lyon and Manoj Shah, along with chief patron Sangeeta Jatia, together lighting the path of discovery. Every seminar, every keynote and every panel discussion becomes a catalyst for transformation. Each moment crafted for impact. Morning seminars that challenge your thinking. Afternoon dialogues that shape our future. As day transforms into night, Gujarat's cultural heart beats louder. Prepare to be spellbound by spectacular performances. Young leaders will find their voice in dedicated forums. Veterans will share their wisdom in town halls. Innovators will present breakthroughs in plenary sessions. Cultural performances will remind us of our rich roots. Experience the ISSAME Service Expo and Project Tourism. Explore the Lions Bazaar. December 15th to 19th, 2025. The countdown begins. Be there. Be amazed. Be inspired. ISSAME, where leadership meets service, humanity wins. Experience Gujarat with Lions 53rd ISSAME Forum from December 15th to 19th, 2025.
वैष्णव जन तो कहने कहिए जे पीर पराई